What's up guys, welcome to my first video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, okay, let's start. Okay guys, so the first thing, you want all the white color. You want it to form an X around the yellow color, okay guys? So like that. Then what you want to do is, for every color with the white here, you want to go down with the white. So it's gonna be like this here, like this, okay? And the pink, like this. And then with the blue, like this, okay guys? Then you want to make these things right, the corners. So the first thing, you want to put them in the right places, like this. So in order to make that, you want to look for the right places, then solve it like that. So this, only one left. Then boom, you got the T letters. You want all T's. You want this. Okay. So then you want to make these. You want to make these. So the first step, you want to put that here, like put the color in the same color, then put it in the opposite direction where you want it to be. You want it to be here, you put it in the opposite direction. Then up, then side, then down, then side again, up, side, boom. See it guys, it's easy. Then the same thing with here, boom. Same thing here, boom. Okay, if there's like one like that in the opposite directions, you're gonna make it like this. So it would this would replace it. Then you would do the same procedure, then boom. Then all you have to do is to create the X. So in order for you to create the X, you want to make that like this. You want to create the X, the yellow X on top. Okay, now you have an X. So the next thing you want to do is to look for a color with the X, like here, the blue color, and no other color should match, okay guys? And then up, like this. Then you want to repeat the procedure until they're all fixed, like that, okay? Then you want to fix the corner. So you're gonna look for a fixed corner, then like that, this, okay? Then you want to repeat the procedure until you get all fixed corners. Then to position the corners right, you want to do left,